I'm Extnix, and I have just installed our latest Android Auto Apple CarPlay system in a 2008 Toyota Camry. This system suits all the models from 2006 to 2011 Camrys and Aurions. So I'll just run you through the system very quickly. So that's your home screen. You get a different user interface by pressing the Apple button. You can press the Android button and you get the same interface again. This is going to give you different applications to connect to wireless Apple CarPlay. All you have to do is just connect first from the Bluetooth, and you can see my phone is connected, and then you simply launch through the Z-Link, and that should be up and going. There you can see. Now we do get questions that how to configure the steering wheel controls on this one. That is very easy. Depending on the home screen you are on, just simply go to apps, which is click on here on this menu, go to steering wheel learning, click on start. Now just follow the directions on the unit which says press key on the steering wheel. So on the steering wheel I will press volume up and I will see what happens here. Press volume up, and that's it, it's configured. You go here, here, and just completing the setup. Mode, all done. Press end, come over here, go to radio, and you can see we're just controlling everything through the steering wheel. Just reducing the volume for the copyright, and then we have also installed the reverse camera as well. As you can see, the image and the quality, it's pretty good. It's a AHD reverse camera. Alright, so that's done. Thank you.